Hello everyone, today we will tell a story about Wagashi, the art of sweets. Everyone probably knows some Japanese sweets, but did you know that Japanese sweets are more complicated than you think? If you are ready, let's go see. Japanese people divide sweets into two types, Wagashi Western style sweets and Japanese sweets Wagashi. The history of Japanese sweets goes back to the Nara period. There are pilgrims from China to spread Buddhism and many cultures, so the ancient Japanese learned how to make sweets from rice flour. Experts are divided into three groups based on the moisture content in the sweets, which can also indicate how long these sweets can be stored. The Wagashi can be divided into 5 subgroups according to the methods and raw materials for making them. The first type is yakigashi. The group of fried pastry dough is fried or grilled with various fillings, such as taiyaki, which shaped snack stuffed with red bean paste. Dorayaki is made of 2 round pancakes sandwiched together. Obanyaki has a variety of fillings, including cream and red bean paste. The second type is mushigashi, a dessert made with flour and red bean paste, such as manju, a dessert made in Nara 700 years ago. Japan therefore improved the recipe for filling under the manju dessert. Uiro is a dessert made from mochi flour and sugar. It was believed that the word uiro means a remedy for sore throat in ancient times, because it was a snack that was eaten after taking a sore throat remedy. Type 3. Nagagashi is a kind of agar-like confectionery, such as yogang is a jelly made from red bean paste mixed with agar powder and chilled. Kinnyaku is a kind of agar decorated with various types of water drop agar. Dango, many people will know this dessert because it is an easy-to-eat snack. There are 2 types. The first is similar to Chinese lotus balls, while the second type is skewers. There are 3 colors: pink instead of cherry blossom, white instead of snow, and color green instead of grass. Type 4. Moshigashi is a type of sweet mochi. Mochi is a well-known dessert made from glutinous rice flour and is often used in the new year. Daifuku is a mochi with a filling such as strawberry chocolate. The 5th category, nerigashi, is a very elaborate snack and is a souvenir for a dough made from kiwi flour. To wrap red bean and color into the occupation, it will be shaped according to the season, such as spring. It will be shaped like a cherry blossom. Anmitsu, sweet dish from the Meiji era. In the 1930s, during the Meiji era, in a confectionery store in Ginza invented a dessert called anmitsu. It's a refreshing dessert for Tokyo residents. The anmitsu has gathered all of the uniqueness of the Japanese people. Hanamagashi, sweet in this category, must be baked in order to remove excess water from the dessert, resulting in only 10 to 30% moisture in the pastry, which can be stored in the refrigerator for about 1 week. Divided into 2 types. First type, yakigashi. It is a dessert that has to be baked or grilled. For example, Baumkuchen, a Japanese cake influenced by the German tree cake. It is one of Japan's top-selling desserts to drink with tea. Castella, another popular type of cake. In Japan, it is often made into a long shape, sold in boxes at supermarkets. It is another type of cake that is probably influenced by Portugal, seen before the Edo period. The second type, okagashi, is a snack that has to be made with separate filling and then combine them together after. For example, monaka is made from mochi gourmet dough that is baked in a mold until it's crispy like a wafer and has holes inside. Higashi, crispy wagashi that are made by deep fry, baked, or roasted, can be divided into 3 types. The first type, beiga, is made from rice flour by baked or fried until puffy, crispy. For example, senbei is a mochi with soy grilled on the stove. It has a history since the Tang Dynasty. The traditional form of senbei is a round, flattened ball, brushed with a golden brown sauce. When cooked, put seaweed and sesame seed into it and eat it with tea. Arare and okaki is a small piece of crispy mochi dough. It's similar to senbei. Arare and okaki have different sauce, such as cheese stuffing. The second type, ushikashi. It is made from a mix of different types of flour. Add honey or syrup and put it in a mold and leave it to dry, for example. The third category, agegashi, a deep fried snack such as potato chips or fried mochi batter. Thank you for your listening.